welcome back to my channel. So today, instead of the usual bag review and lipstick review, I'll be doing something more interesting, and this time around it'll be mini perfume bottle. I actually have some range of mini bottle perfume collection, and I think mini bottle perfume is so good to collect because it's so dainty and cute, and it's just a great way to know the scent of the perfume before investing in a bigger one. And I get bored at like perfume smell easily, so it's a great way for me to try different perfume like daily. So yeah, let's get started. So let's start off with my most recent purchase, which is from Hermes, and it comes in this signature box of orange color box. And let's open it up and I'll show you guys what's inside. So the box actually have this cute Hermes design, which is so cute, and you can keep the box if you like the design. So yeah, and it comes in a bottle of 4. I actually lost one of it because I like the smell so much that I brought it out and I lost it. So yeah, I'll show you guys in detail what it's like in this cute little box. So let's get into it. So this is the Hermes perfume mini bottle collection, which is really cute, and actually have their new fragrance as well, which is Toilette Hermes, and it smells really strong compared to the rest, and it can last longer throughout the day. And this is the Eau de Merveilleuse. It smells really crisp like water of wonder as it translated, and Jus de Hermes smells really clean and crisp as well, so it's great for the day. One of my other favorite will be this perfume from Dior. So it actually comes in a set of 4 as well, but I only have 2 with me right now, and I actually like this one so much so that I finished the bottle, the mini bottle, and actually gotten the life-size one, which is this, and it smells so great, and I would recommend it to people that like a clean, mature and feminine kind of smell. So yeah, like I said, mini bottles are a great way to try out the scent, and then if you like it, you get a bigger one. So here's the close-up of the Dior perfume. It smells really great, and I like how the design looks really classy and elegant as well. Some of my other favorites will be from brands like Marc Jacob. This is the Eau La La smell, and sometimes I mispronounce it and call it Eau La La. But either way, it's so cute, and the design itself is like a flower petal. The life-size bottle also comes in the flower petal design, but it's a spray-on type. I also like it so much so that I actually get the life-size bottle for this as well. And the next brand that I like will be from Lancome, and it smells so good, and I really like the mini bottle size because it's so easy to bring around and can fit in any of my mini bags very easily. So it's great, and it smells really strong and lasts throughout the day. So here is a close-up of this cute little mini bottle. The Marc Jacob one really stands out with its unique design. Thank you for watching it till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and do let me know in the comment below what are some nice mini perfume to try out and what are your favorites. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!